Today we're going to learn about the marketing mix. If you had Mrs. Baker for sales and promotion, then you probably learned about the marketing mix. In front of you, you should have a circle with a circle inside. That's a marketing mix grid. Let's go ahead and fill in the grid. In the center, I would like you to put target market. Just put the words target market. Please don't copy mine. I'll go over mine here in a moment. The top portion of the circle, I would like you to write product. I'd like you to write replacement. And the bottom, I'd like you to write price. And over to the left, I'd like you to write promotion. Now, I'm going to give you an example of a marketing mix. I'm using me as an example. Please don't copy what I'm saying. I'm going to actually have you do your demographic here in just a moment. So in the center, if I'm the target market, I'm a career woman, age 45. At the top of the circle, under product, a product that targets career women that are 45 would be an Estee Lauder lipstick. Where does Estee Lauder provide their lipsticks? Not in discount stores, not in drug stores, but in nice department stores such as Macy's, Bon-Ton, Elder Beerman, and so forth. The price is $22 a tube. $22 a tube is a price that a career woman age 45 would pay for a good tube of lipstick. Promotion, how are they going to target this demographic, is by magazines and mailers. When I say magazines, I know that Estee Lauder advertises in Cosmopolitan magazine, they advertise in Better Homes and Gardens. I know that they advertise as well in Shape magazine, but they're magazines that are read by career women. Mailers, I get postcards about once every 6 weeks advertising Estee Lauder's deals, their purchase with purchases, and whatever promotions are going on. Now, the reason that I didn't put just women in the center here is because women can be in their 20s, they can be in their 30s, they can be in their 40s. Women in their 20s could wear Estee Lauder lipstick, but they generally buy Maybelline and so forth, which is in discount department stores. So this is actually a very specific product. I'd like you to do a marketing mix now with you in the middle. So if you're a boy, you're going to put a male, a girl, you're going to put female, and I want you to put your age. I want you to pick a product for the top that is specifically targeted to you. Placement is where they sell that product or where you can find that product. The price is about what you are going to be spending for that product. And a promotion, how are they promoting you? How are they getting the message out to you that that product exists? That's assignment number 1. Assignment number 2 is I'd like you to do another product with a different target in the middle. I want to give you an example of one particular target product that you might think you know the answer to, but it is a very specific issue with target markets. In the product area up here, let's say that I put expensive men's cologne. So if an expensive men's cologne, one I know is Ralph Lauren makes an expensive men's cologne. So Ralph Lauren men's cologne. It sells for like $65 a bottle. The placement would be nice department stores. The price would be $65. The promotion would be, and again, promotion, how am I going to reach the customer? Well, before I talk about promotion, I want to talk about the target. Who is the target for this expensive men's cologne? Well, the target for the expensive men's cologne is not a man at all. If your father wears a nice cologne, 9 times out of 10, he didn't purchase it for himself. Your mother or significant other purchased that cologne for your father. Men do not spend $65 on cologne generally. It's often gifted to them. So in the center, they're actually targeting women for expensive men's cologne. So if the promotion, it would be magazines read by those women or billboards in areas that are for all to see, or mailers that would go to the women's houses. So that's just one example of a product that you might think would be targeting the sex in which that product is to be consumed, and in this case, very much so is not. So for today's assignment, I want you to do 2 marketing mixes. One is you as a target market. The other one is going to be another target market, not you, and I'd like you to actually use the opposite sex.